Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a gentle, motivating, meaningful story about starting even when you feel afraid. There was a boy named Danish. Danish had a dream. He wanted to learn English well. He wanted to speak confidently. But Danish was afraid. He thought, my English is not good. People will laugh at me. I will make mistakes. Because of fear, he did not start. One day, his teacher said, Danish, come and read one sentence. Danish's heart beat fast. His hands felt cold. He wanted to say no, but slowly he stood up. His voice was soft. He made small mistakes, but he finished the sentence. The class was quiet. Then the teacher smiled and said, good, you tried. After class, his teacher said, the hardest part is not learning. The hardest part is starting. If you never start, you never grow. Danish thought about this. The next day, he tried speaking again, then again, then again. Each day, he became a little better. Slowly, his fear became smaller. His confidence became bigger. Because once you start, the path becomes easier. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not wait to be perfect. Do not wait to be fearless. Start now. Start small. Start anyway. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep taking brave steps. And always remember, the first step is the most powerful one.